Hey guys, it's the Ripper Outlaw here today, and today I'm making a video on Gigabit Off-Road, and today I'm gonna be building this Dodge. So let's go into customizations, body, let's see, no, yeah, front bumper. I don't know which one I want. I might get this one. Yeah, this one looks good. Fenders. I'm gonna get the cutoff ones. Rear bumper. I want the stock cage. I don't know. I might get this one. Yeah, that one I want. Running boards. Don't need no running boards. Alright, today I'm gonna be building a mud truck. I'm out of this. Roof right. I want these. Snorkel. I don't need no snorkel. Spare wheel. I might get it in the back or the bed. Yeah, I think the back. Horn. I don't want no horn. Front lights. I might get the like winch. Jack. I'm fine. Protection plates. Let's see what color I can change them to. Yeah, I might change them to gray. Exhaust pipe. I'm gonna put it on the sides. No, actually, it's gonna be a gas mud truck. I'm gonna make it black, so I think white looks good. Gun rack, repair back. So let's try to find a gray that can match those. Actually, I think black looks good. Actually, maybe. That color, right? Maybe. Yeah, that color. Rims. I'm gonna get those. Are those it? I think it's these. Yeah, it's these. So let's move this over. Yeah, that actually does look good. No, I forgot that was gray. That's white. So that's good. It's good. Tires. I want the airless ones. Yeah, I want those. Wraps. Okay, so that's all I want. On the body wise, that does actually look good. So let's go to upgrades. We upgrade the power too. Actually, I'm not gonna upgrade it. A mini in this video. Good tuning. Front, I want the I-beam back. There's no I-beams. Might get the solid axle pro. Yeah, front and back. So let's go and upgrade this. Travel. All the way up. Stiffness. Like right there. I'm right back, y'all. Okay, so I'm back, y'all. So I'm gonna turn the damping. I think it's all the way up. I don't know. Yeah, it's all the way up. Axle width in the front could be 8. Rear 8. Front radius. Let's upgrade this. No, too big. Probably 1.1. .3 front rim size. Yeah, so I built my mud truck. So that's all I got for y'all today. See y'all next time. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. And see ya.